Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. We're even gonna have a giveaway in this video. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of April, it is the Dominique Cosmetics Sweater Weather Palette. I also have a giveaway for my Boxycharm Premium that I did. I have got one coming up for my face story. I have one in honor of Easter. I've got all sorts of giveaways. You guys have dubbed me the queen of giveaways, and I'll take that title because I love giving back to you guys. Number one rule for all my giveaways is that you must be a subscriber to the channel, and I do check. So today we are unboxing the Boxycharm base box. This took forever to get here. Yeah, I know I live in the complete opposite end of the United States, and with everything going on right now, just the mail's a lot slower. So let's dive in here. I do have a code for Boxycharm if you want to check them out. It helps you out, it helps me out a little bit as well. So this is the base box. It's $25 a month. There's usually 5 full-size items in here. They also have their premium box, which I've already got, and I did the unboxing for that. I'll leave a link to that video in the description box down below. And then they have their Luxe box, which ships out quarterly. So this is the base box. So let's find out what's in here. So how are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments down below. I hope that you guys are all staying safe, and I pray that you are. I pray for all you guys. So there is no card in this box. So we're just gonna have to kind of wing it. I'll look up some of the information for you guys. So the first thing that I am pulling out is from ZOEVA. It is their eyeshadow palette. It is their Resto. It's cruelty free. It does retail for $28. And venerating the Earth's rich bounty, the ZOEVA Artisto eyeshadow palette offers a feast of the senses with a selection of highly pigmented, ultra-rich, inspired by Mother Nature, depicting a plentiful harvest. The palette provides a cornucopia of beautiful hues, challenging the power of the elements from earthy brown to airy nudes. Here's what the inside looks like. This would be a really fun summer palette. I'm not going to swatch it. I think I'm going to save this for one of my upcoming giveaways. I have started setting stuff aside for when we hit 900 and 1,000 subscribers, so help us get there. By LAVISH is the 5-piece neon eye brush collection. It does retail for $29.99. LAVISH is cruelty-free, and it's a must-have all-in-one cruelty-free makeup brush collection that includes essential eye brushes you'll need to achieve an everyday or more dramatic look. So you have a spoolie here with a detailed one on this side. I would use this as kind of a crease. There's this pink blending one. I would use this yellow as an inner corner. And then this blue I would use to pack over the lid. So this is what we're going to be giving away in this giveaway. So I'll go into the rest of the stuff really easily. I like to mix up where I talk about my giveaways, so that way you know to make sure to watch the entire video, because it does help me out. It really helps me out in my watch time minutes that I'm trying to get up and trying to get this thing monetized. It's my goal for this year. Anyway, like I said before, you must be a subscriber to my channel in order to win, and I do check, like this video, watch it in entirety. Must be 18 years or older, and order to win as well. I do all my giveaways on Google Forms, so I'll put that link in the description box down below. You just take it to you, fill it out, make sure to put your YouTube name on it as well, so that way I can check to see, yes, if you are subscribed. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. I've purchased this box on my own. I'm not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, anything like that. If you need it, take it to your country. Please make sure to only fill out the Google form once, that way it is fair for everybody. And how I do it is that we'll keep this giveaway open through, let's say, May 24th. Would have been a big day in this household. I only have one child and he was set to graduate high school on May 24th. And right now we don't even know what's going on with that. So I'm hoping that it's postponed to June or July. That's my hope. I don't know. Anyway, on May 25th, I'll do random number generator. That'll pick the winner. That way it's fair to everybody. If you want a couple bonus entries, go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is beautyama, AMA, and the letter B. And also share this video. That way it helps me out, helps to grow my audience, and that'll get you an extra bonus entry in the giveaway as well. So good luck on that. And then now let's dive into the rest of the products that came in my base box. From Benefit Cosmetics is the Professional Primer. It does retail for $32. And it's the POREFESSIONAL Face Primer. Quickly minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines for smoother than smooth skin. Apply the silky, lightweight balm alone under or over makeup. The translucent formula contains vitamin E, derivatives known to protect the skin from free radicals. Here's what the product looks like. It is 0.75 of an ounce. From Battington Lashes is the HARLOW 3D Silk Lash. It is cruelty free, does retail for $31. Here's what they look like. It does come with a glue. And the 3D lash provides a dramatic length and volume. If you're looking to make a statement, this is the lash for you. The 3D lash mimics the growth structure of lashes for the ultimate and natural glamour, and it obviously includes the glue. So I don't wear fake lashes that much, so I'm going to put this one, I think, in one of my upcoming giveaways. I've already started setting stuff aside for when we hit that 900th and 1,000 subscriber. So there are gonna be some big giveaways coming up as well. Finally, from Iconic London is their original illuminator. It is cruelty free. This does retail for $41. And this concentrated liquid shimmer can be added to your foundation, primer, or moisturizer, or simply used on its own for super highlighted glow. Every drop of this super concentrated shimmer elixir glides on smoothly to bestow an ultra blendable glow. Here's what this looks like. And I want to kind of show you guys something. Here's just kind of a couple drops on the hand. If you use just a little bit, it's not that intimidating. If you use a lot, then, you know, it kind of could be. But, you know, just, so especially my age, I don't need an extra ton of shine here to show extra texture. So just using a little bit, even on, I love using it like right here in the summer, so on the collarbones. So I thought it was a pretty good box. I got stuff for me, stuff for you. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Like I said, remember to check out those rules that happened earlier in the video. If you were skipping around, you may have missed it. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Please stay safe out there. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you if you have the time. I'd appreciate if you were to check them out. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.